Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying accounts and funding methods so payments move smoothly. Open the app, confirm identity verification, and make sure the recipient's email or phone is correct. Once done, choose the exact dollar amount and select the friends and family payment type in the same screen. This avoids goods and services fees. Make sure your default payment source is the one you intend to use, because swaps during checkout can trigger extra charges or change fee rules. You now tap Send, choose the recipient, and enter the exact dollar amount, then explicitly select friends and family as the payment type so the platform applies that classification. Next, pick your funding source. Bank transfers often avoid fees while cards may incur a percentage, so choose intentionally. Add a concise note explaining the reason to reduce confusion. Before confirming, review the displayed fee and date. If anything looks off, cancel and double-check recipient details and payment source. You finish by confirming the payment and saving the confirmation screen or taking a screenshot for records. This proves intent and classification. Once confirmed, monitor the recipient's account to ensure funds arrived. If the platform incorrectly processed it as goods and services, contact support right away with your receipt, timestamps, and screenshots. Request reclassification and refund of fees. If problems persist, escalate with bank statements or app logs. That documentation speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.